Hi, I'm Maiju. I'm gonna make soft tofu stew today, Korean sundubujigae. It is famous already in the world. I'll make seasoned red pepper sauce first. It is for 4 servings. We can cook soft tofu stew with this anytime. This is chopped pork. You can use pork, beef, or clam too. These are chopped onions and green onions. Add enough oil and put green onions. If the green onions smell sweet, add meat and fried onions with them. Smells fantastic. Now, add 2 tablespoons of red pepper flakes and 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix well together. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. It is complete. This is Korean earthen pot, tukbaegi. It is for 2 servings. It can keep the heat for a long time, so you can eat warm food. Now, put half of the sauce and 1/3 cups of water in it. When it begins boiling, put the tofu. This is a soft tofu. Water comes out from soft tofu too, so it's better to put little water first. Can you hear this? I can't wait. Put an egg before you eat. It looks great and smells really rich. If it's bland, please put some salt. If you like this video, please give me likes and subscribe too. And if you want to enjoy soft tofu stew more deliciously, please try to mix it with rice and seaweed. Rice and eggs are making this spicy stew softly. It was real spicy taste of Korea. Awesome.